So if you are watching this right now and you are pushing, whether on YouTube or any platform or business, this is your sign to keep going. This is your sign to not care about what others think. This is your sign to not worry about unsupporters. At the end of the day, whatever God has planned for you, nobody can stop it. Y'all, I cannot believe we did it. We did it, Joe. I got my 100K YouTube Plaque.
Let us begin with the bad little specimen. Balenciaga's only things I be stepping in. Gucci baby suits, only thing I'm dressing in. Cause I get wetter than an Navy SEAL.
Shout out to all of my supporters, all of my subscribers, y'all. I cannot believe we did it. I cannot believe it. Okay, so today we are going to be unboxing the plaque. I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. Okay, I have not opened it. I don't know what it looks like. We are going to unbox it. I did already go to the store, you guys, and today I'm going to celebrate as well. So I did already go to the store, you guys, so I'm going to show y'all everything that I got. So I got myself these super cute roses, y'all. Like, how cute and pink. These are from Costco. If y'all did not know, Costco literally has the best roses. And they don't just have pink, they have other colors, other shades of pink, but these are just too cute. I cannot wait to put this in my vase and have it sitting on my counter. Like, y'all, I am in love. So I have this. I also got balloons, and I'm about to change my nails because, y'all, the nails that I have on, they're still good, but the gems and stuff have been popping off because I've been doing a lot of hard labor, putting my new chair together. I've been just doing a lot of hard labor. So I have these sets that I've worn before that are longer than what I normally wear, but I'm gonna take these off and pop these on after I've like done my makeup and stuff. And then I have this bottle right here, and let me show you guys the balloons. And I'm so mad they did not have a K, so we just have the, y'all, now I just knocked the thing out my light. I just knocked the thing out in the ceiling that's covering the light. I just knocked it down, but I have a ladder so I can fix it back. But these are the pink balloons I got. So I just got the 1-0. I got the 1-0-0, and like I said, they didn't have a K, and I just did not want to have to go to another store because y'all already know how it is. When you have balloons in the car, it's so hard to drive. And to celebrate tonight, me and my sister are going to a steakhouse, so I'm just so excited, you guys. Right now I'm just gonna straighten my kitchen area up because this is where we are gonna take the pictures. It's so crazy, y'all, because I thought I was gonna get my plaque by Christmas last year. I thought it was gonna be under my Christmas tree. It wasn't. Then I thought I was gonna get it on my birthday, which was in June. I didn't. So it's just so crazy, but I saw myself, like, I literally saw myself in, like, the exact picture I'm gonna take is what I saw, like, in my head, if that makes sense. Like, I saw myself sitting on my kitchen island with my balloons right here, with stuff on the counter, and that's what I'm basically gonna recreate what I envision in my head. And I did buy these. I guess these are called balloon stands. What are these called, y'all? Let me know in the comments. I don't know what these are called, but I be calling them balloon stands. I don't know if that's the correct name. So I did get these because I always find that whenever I do try to do like balloon stuff, I don't have nowhere to put it on. So I'm gonna have these back here. And also, let me show you guys the dress and stuff that I'm gonna be wearing. So this is the purse that I'm gonna be wearing tonight. It's from Fashion Nova, and I have gold heels to match. So this is the dress that I'm gonna be wearing. The dress is from Fashion Nova as well, but y'all gonna have to wait to see the dress on me because it's one of those dresses. I honestly was confused when I actually was trying it on because it got a lot going on. So I'm gonna show y'all the dress when I wear it, but it's time to unbox the plaque. You can see it from that camera right there, my phone. Okay. So I got the congratulations. The I'm gonna show y'all this up close. Okay, let's get this out of here now. Oh my gosh. This seems so unreal. Try not to cry. Y'all, so this is the Plaque close up. The play button part is actually a mirror. Y'all, I cannot believe I'm holding this. In the back of it, it allows you to hang it up. And this is what it came with it, y'all. Y'all, I still cannot believe that this plaque is in my hand right now. Thank you everybody who has been subscribed to my channel, everybody who hits the like button, everybody who comments every time. Every time I've been doing a video lately, I tell y'all to leave me a comment. Thank you guys who comment. Like, thank you, because it's literally free to support. It's 100% free to support here on YouTube, and I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart who have been subscribed. I'm not gonna cry, I'm not gonna get emotional, okay, but I really appreciate you guys. And let me know in the comments how long you've been following me for. When did you discover me? How long have you been subscribed to my channel? Let me know in the comments so I know how, like, you know, how long the supporters have been here, okay? Because we love supporters who comment all the time, not just when it's an accomplishment, because we already know when it's time for accomplishments, people love to come out the woodworks. People who never contribute love to say, oh my God, I'm so proud of you, I'm so proud of you, I'm so proud. But where were you at when I was posting all these videos? All you had to do was leave a comment to support me, to help push on my content. You couldn't even do that. And let me just say that YouTube is one of the hardest platforms to grow on. Being someone that has been on social media for years, I use all platforms: Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Lemonade. YouTube is definitely one of the hardest platforms to grow on, and it's so hard to not compare, because you'll see somebody get their plaque within 6 months, within 30 days, within 2 months. Others, it may take longer, but you really have to not, it's so hard to not compare. Of course, it's easier said than done, but if you're someone who is trying to achieve your plaque one day, definitely keep going. Definitely keep going, definitely keep pushing. Don't care about what people have to say. Don't care about people that you know, because at the end of the day, the people that you know in real life are not going to be your supporters. And let me be the one to tell you that. It doesn't matter whether it's with business. It doesn't matter when it comes to growing on social media. People that you know are never going to be your supporters. They're never going to be the ones in your comments. They're never going to be the ones in your likes. You have to post for you. I've been posting on YouTube since like 2015 when I graduated high school, and I would literally post and delete my videos because I was scared of what people think. I was scared that people that know me in real life was going to find my videos and literally make fun of me, or I don't know what I thought they was gonna do. And because of that, I let that discourage me. And it wasn't until when I started my business in 2019, and in 2020 was when I started being consistent, and people kept saying, you should start a YouTube channel, you should, and I'm just like, do I? And that's when I started to post videos and started being consistent, and I just kept pushing and kept pushing and kept pushing. And of course, even to get those first 1,000 subscribers was a lot. Even when I hit those first 1,000 subscribers, I did a whole giveaway, you guys. When I hit my first 1,000 subscribers, I gave away, I want to say 20 pairs of lashes. That was the giveaway prize to get me to the subscribers. And let me just say that too. Doing giveaways and stuff like that, it will help you, but you're not gonna get the people that genuinely rock with you. I did the giveaway because I was so desperate and just wanted to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. And literally after I picked the winner for the lashes, I kid y'all not, the next day, over 10 people unsubscribed to my channel. I don't remember the exact number, but I was under 1,000. So clearly those people were not there to support me. They were there just to get free lashes. And it is what it is. But hey, we don't worry about unsupporters over here. We worry about the people that actually do support us. That's all who we are concerned about. But I say that to say you have to keep pushing, you have to keep going. For my birthday in 2020, I invested. My camera was my first ever big business purchase. I spent like $700 on that camera. I want to say it was a Nikon D3500, I believe. I literally went to Best Buy on my birthday and I bought that camera, and I said, we're about to take this seriously. We're going to keep pushing this content. And even now, 5+ years in is when I'm more confident with even promoting my YouTube channel on my other platforms, because at one point it's like, do you even want to post it? But again, people that you know, they're gonna still see it. Best believe that. People are always watching. They may never be in them likes, they may never be in them comments, but they're always watching you. So if you are watching this right now and you are pushing, whether on YouTube or any platform or business, this is your sign to keep going. This is your sign to not care about what others think. This is your sign to not worry about unsupporters. At the end of the day, whatever God has planned for you, nobody can stop it. Nobody can stop it. And best believe, even when you get close to the 100K, that's when a lot of people will unsubscribe. I just posted a YouTube video the other day. Somebody unsubscribed. Like, it's so crazy. Like, the way people unsubscribe. Like, I'm like, I already know. I literally told my friend, I was like, I already know once I hit the 90-something K, I'm gonna get so many people unsubscribing. Y'all, I will literally refresh the YouTube app, 30 people that unsubscribe. I am not lying to y'all. I probably have screenshots in my phones of several, not just one time, several times where I screenshot my numbers just to keep track, and I was actually trying to see how far away I am, like how many subscribers away, and you refresh and 20 people have unsubscribed, 5 people have unsubscribed. So people do unsubscribe and stuff like that, and things like that will get you discouraged, but you just have to keep going. And I feel like I'm at the point now, especially with my YouTube channel, that I'm doing what I love. I hope you guys have been loving my pink content, my pink lifestyle content. And I actually have a video that will be going up, a vlog that will be going up. I was gonna drop that video before this one, but I was like, no, we gotta celebrate the plaque, okay? Because at the end of the day, tomorrow's not promised, and I need to thank my supporters for my plaque. I don't wanna make this video too long, just talking. But let me know any questions. Should we do a Q&A video? Should we do like a pink, some type of pink video where we do a Q&A and you guys let me know? Should I do it on Instagram where you guys put questions that you have for me, so that way I feel like I haven't done a Q&A in years, so that I can answer any questions you guys have for me. Let me know in the comments. Comment the words Q&A if you guys want to do a Q&A video or ask me questions, getting to know me, whether you're new, been here, or you probably have a question on something that might have happened years ago and you don't know, you know, just let me know. Like, comment the words Q&A if you guys are interested in that, and if enough people comment, we gonna do a Q&A video. But it's up to y'all, it's up to the viewers. If you guys don't comment, I'm not gonna force to tell people about myself, because y'all gotta ask the questions at the end of the day. But if we do decide to do the Q&A video, it definitely will be on Instagram. I'll post it in my story. That way it's easier for me to just screenshot everything that y'all comment and do that. And my Instagram, everything is linked, rica_forever. I'm ready to come put my flowers in my vase. Me and my sister went out to eat. We went to Fago de Chao. Is that how you say it? I love that place. I've been there for my birthday. I took my dad there for his birthday. I love y'all. I'm so stuffed. I had me a cake, a Trust Legend. Y'all know I love me a dessert. So I'm about to put my roses up and put my plaque back in its box. Thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out my other videos. And if you watch this video all the way to this point, so I know that you are a true supporter of mine and actually watch my videos all the way through, comment, we just hit 100K, so I know that you are a true supporter and you watch my videos all the way through. Comment, we just hit 100K. All links are in the description box. Start your business today, itasty.com. 6-year business anniversary is coming September 4th, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the sales, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.